Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
Hello everyone. In this video, I will explain how to change the default font in your laptop. Many users prefer a different look than the standard system font. We'll explore how to achieve this on both Windows and Mac OS. Additionally, I'll guide you through customizing fonts in your favorite web browsers and common applications. This personalization can make your digital workspace feel much more comfortable and uniquely yours, improving readability and aesthetics across your device. For Windows users, changing the system-wide default font involves a few steps using the registry editor. Begin by opening your settings, navigating to Personalization, and then Fonts to find the precise full name of your preferred font. Next, you'll create a simple text file, paste in a specific code snippet, and replace the placeholder with your chosen font's name. Save this as a reg file, merge it into your system's registry, and finally, restart your computer for the changes to take effect. On Mac OS, changing the entire system font is not a straightforward process through built-in settings. Apple designs its operating system with a consistent default font, which is typically San Francisco, for a unified user experience. However, you can usually customize fonts within individual applications. Many apps provide their own font preferences in their settings or preferences menus. Look for options like font or appearance within each application to personalize your viewing experience there. Beyond your operating system, you can also adjust fonts in your web browsers and many applications. For Google Chrome, navigate to Settings, then Appearance, and select Customize Fonts to choose your preferred styles. Firefox users can find similar options under the General panel, within Language and Appearance in their settings. For productivity tools like Microsoft Word, you can often set a new default font through the Font dialog box, ensuring all new documents use your chosen style.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.